up, Kalamazoo Executive Chef Josh Kirby here, along with our resident dietitian Kirsten Strong for this month's Excelsior recipe rundown. We were thinking with warm months and lemonade stands coming up, we'd show you guys a really awesome sparkling mint strawberry lemonade.
Hey guys, happy spring. It's Kirsten here again. As you can see, we went shopping in a grocery store for these ingredients. However, by the time you're watching this video, the farmer's market may be open in Kalamazoo, and you may be able to find these ingredients at the market. So you can keep it local.
Trimming the top of your strawberries gives you a level surface to cut with, keeping everything safe. Maceration is a process that breaks down food. In this case, we're softening the strawberries and enhancing their flavor. This is a good step to get some help from the kiddos. Now we're going to get everything in the blender. Whether you're using a fancy Vitamix or just a hand blender, just make sure you get the pieces nice and small. With just a couple simple cuts, you can make things look really fancy.
One thing I love about this recipe is that you get to decide how sweet you like it. You can add more or less soda water to adjust the sweetness. Some people like things sweet, some people like things less sweet. Adjust it to how you like it.